How to add two-step authentication to your account on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to WordPress. As you can see, this is the dashboard. Now go right here to the top and click on your profile picture. And after you click on your profile picture, all what you have to do now is simple. Just go right here, click on security. Now, after you click on security, you will find many options here. Click on two-step authentication, and now you can set up using an app or set up using SMS. Click get started and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.